फ्रेंड्स, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ Realme 6 के बारे में। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। शुरू करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। Realme 6 smartphone run on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.05 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 Plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Realme 6 smartphone has a IPS LCD display. It measures 162.1 mm by 74.8 mm and 8.9 mm and weight 191 gram. It measures 162.1 mm by 74.8 mm and 8.9 mm and weight 191 gram. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel and 405 ppi pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 20:9 and screen to body ratio of 84.13%. On camera front, the buyers get a 16 megapixel plus 12.0 wide angle primary camera, 26 mm focal length, 3.1 sensor size, 1 mm pixel size, and on the rear there is on 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel camera with feature like 10 plus digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4300 mAh battery. Connectivity feature in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Gold, and more. Realme 6 smartphone price in India rupees 13,999. Realme 6 was launched in the smartphone. Come into other storage. RAM variant Realme 6 28GB and Realme 6 8GB RAM. As for the color option, the Realme 6 smartphone comes in Comet Blue and Comet White color. Thank you for watching my video.